This is the day that there is zero pressure on you and all the pressure is on your coaches. Yeah. As you can see, it's freezing out here today.
Perfect day.
So we have set up water tetherball for your coaches. To make it even more fun, it's on a balance beam. The way that this is going to work is you will stand on the balance beam, you will hit the ball. If you fall in, you have to jump right back up onto the balance beam before your opponent wins the game.
Oh.
It's the first to 10 games, which means this could go up to like 19 games of tetherball. Winning coach wins $10,000, and everybody on his team wins $1,500. Yeah! Everybody ready?
Yeah!
Good luck, coaches.
Champ is here! The champ is here!
If you would have told me that I could win $10,000 playing playing tetherball as a kid, I would have played a lot more of it, you know? So, little nervous, man.
Look at that ninja.
I played tetherball like maybe once or twice, you know, in second grade, so it's been a while. I was looking forward for the challenge. I can't wait to go out there and, you know, get this win for our team.
That was quick.
That's it. It's over.
Good thing you took the boat out.
Sure enough, I fall in the water before the game even starts. So, horrible start to this game.
Ready?
Keep up the good work, TJ.
Go.
In the head. Coach, here it comes. Here it comes.
Got the first score. You know, my team's all pumped up, and they're, you know, it's energizing me. It's, you know, keeping me pumped up so I'm not freezing in this